Welcome to the SEO Fundamentals course brought to you by Moz Academy. I'll be your instructor, Brian Childs, and you can see my Twitter handle here, @TheGrowthPilot, if you'd like to follow me online. In this course, we're going to be speaking about some of the core concepts useful for any SEO implementation. The discussion will start with asking this question: where does SEO fit in your digital strategy? You may use paid ads, email, or social media, and we need to ask ourselves, where does SEO fit? How do we use it, and where is it relevant? We'll then dive into search engine result pages and search intent, asking what can we learn about what we see in search engine results. It's quite an interesting discussion, and hopefully you'll find that valuable. We then go a little bit more technical, talking about crawling and indexing, where we'll discuss how is it that things show up in the search results, and what can we do to diagnose if we're not showing up in search results. Some very fundamental concepts there. And then we'll round out with a discussion about algorithms. What are the main algorithms? What's the evolution been in algorithms? And where are we now that can help us understand some of the most current optimization efforts that are out there? Hope you find this valuable, and thanks for joining class.